What's up, ninjas? Congratulations on completing the previous video for day 5 on Injective and the SDK. Now it is time to put your new knowledge to the test with a few multiple choice questions. Feel free to re-watch the previous video to bolster your understanding of this topic based on how you go in this quiz. Ready? Let's begin. First question. What is Injective? And the options are a wallet for the Injective network, a command line tool that allows you to interact with the Injective network, or a trading utility that allows you to interact with exchanges on the Injective network. I'll pause for a bit while you think of the answer. And the answer is the first two. So Injective functions as a wallet on the Injective network, and that is perhaps its secondary purpose, right? It's just one of the capabilities that is inbuilt into it, but it also functions as a command line utility that interacts with the Injective network, and that's why it also needs to be the wallet as well. So yeah, those two things. What it doesn't do is provide trading utilities or anything specific like that, right? It's a general purpose tool for working with the Injective network. To find out more about Injective, check out the Injective docs page for Injective. Next question. You can interact with the Injective network using blank. And the options are Injective, the Injective TypeScript SDK, as well as curl with JSON RPC. I'll pause for a bit while you think of the answer. And the answer is all three. Did you get that right? So Injective is a command line utility that allows you to interact with the Injective network. Injective TypeScript SDK is a programmatic way to interact with the Injective network. And finally, we have curl, which is a command line tool that allows you to do HTTP requests of any sort. And so that means that you can issue JSON RPC requests that are formatted to interact with Injective's EVM as well. So all three are valid options when you want to interact with Injective. Check out these docs, a couple of docs from the Injective documentation site for Injective usage as well as private key transactions. And also check out the Ethereum developer documentation for JSON RPC APIs, which any EVM network, including Injective, is compatible with. Now, you have tested your knowledge with a quick quiz. I just want to know if you got the questions right or if there's anything that you were not sure of. Drop your questions or clarifications in the comment section below. And of course, all the links for the resources mentioned earlier on will be provided in the description below as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. But before you go, note that this is a preview edition of the video that is part of the 7 Days of Injective course. We are creating the full version of the course with all of the bells and whistles, and if you watch this far, I'm sure that you'll be keen on that too. So do sign up using the form by scanning the QR code or clicking on the link in the description of this video. For now, on to the next video.